Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a picture on your smartphone. So let's jump right in. First, we will power on the device. After the device is on, we will need to find the camera app, which is right down here. Next, open it. And to take a photo, just click the white button. If your photos seem blurry, just tap the picture. That should reduce the blur in your photos. Then click the picture button. If you want a video, swipe from left to right to get to the video setting. Or click the red button at the bottom of your screen. Now a video is started. To stop the video, click the red square at the bottom of your screen. You have just taken a photo and/or a video on your smartphone. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found the video informative, click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.